In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete your account on Whop.io. Whether you're closing an account you no longer use or simply looking to manage your online presence more diligently, this guide will help you navigate through the process with clarity and confidence. Let's dive in. First off, let's head over to the Whop.io website. Open your web browser and type in whop.com. Once you're there, it's time to access your profile. Located on the top right corner of the home page is your profile icon. Click on it to load your profile page. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including privacy settings, notifications, and ultimately the account deletion process. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to head to your account settings. Look for a section labeled Settings or Account Settings. It's generally represented by a gear icon. Once you click on it, you'll find a list of options to manage your account. Here's where it gets a bit serious. You're going to look for what Whop.io refers to as the danger zone. This section contains options that can significantly change your account status, including deletion. So click on it with a bit of extra caution to ensure you're in the right place. After clicking into the danger zone, you'll need to find the option that says Delete Account. This is a crucial moment because selecting this option begins the process towards permanent account deletion. A word of advice here. Before continuing, please make sure you have backed up any important data or information you might need later, because post-deletion, recovering this data will be impossible. Once you've confirmed that you indeed want to proceed with the account deletion, you're asked to reaffirm this choice. Whop.io makes sure you really mean it. On the screen,